Hello students, I am talking in this video with my grade 10th and 12th students and other 10th and 12th students, those who are appearing 10th and 12th board examination in the year 2022. You have in all 10 months for the final preparation, for the entire preparation you can say. I suggest to you that you should divide these 10 months in three phases. The first phase is the major phase, that is called long-term preparation. In this preparation, in this tenure, you complete your entire studies. And then second part comes as that short-term preparation, and the third part comes as last day revisions. So this long-term preparation is of 180 days, that is 6 months. Then second short-term preparation is of just 75 days, 2.5 months. And then last day revision is of 1.5 months, that is 45 days. Okay, so these are the 10 months allocated to you, and accordingly you have to prepare yourself for the 10th and 12th board examination. Many of you are relaxed, don't know. 2021 board exam is not yet done, so no idea when it will be. Don't keep those things in your mind. It is not for you. I am sure, very much sure, that 2022 exams, even grade 10th exams will be there, and 12th exam definitely will going to be there. The formats and the syllabus, everything will come in time. But you should not stop your preparation, or you should not pause your preparation. Important. You should start your preparation as early as possible. If you have not started yet, I suggest you, after seeing this video, just start the preparation. Okay? Because I am counting from day tomorrow. Day 1 as 1st June 2021, but still you can do it few hours here today itself after seeing this video. So you have this 6 months long-term preparation. This long-term preparation consists of entire syllabus to be done once thoroughly. Okay, all the syllabus. You have your physics, chemistry, mathematics, bio, SST, history, geography, economics, civics, English, and the other second language. Just make a list of all the subjects with their respective chapters. Once you have written this complete list of subjects and chapters, put some space in front of it and then start putting tally marks on it. Once you have started, say for example in physics 10th, you have started electricity. Okay, you have started electricity. It may take a week or 10 days to complete electricity. So once you have done electricity, just put a 1 tally mark. Okay, and then go for next chapter, light. Once you have done light, put another tally mark. Same way you have to proceed for chemistry, you have to proceed for bio, you have to proceed for maths, you have to proceed for physics, history, geography, economics, civics, English, and other subjects as well. Okay, in first phase of preparation is long-term preparation. It may take time. It takes 6 months for the first preparation, first round of preparation. Okay, complete preparation. I am talking about till November. Your school might not be completed your syllabus, but you should be through of this. You cannot wait for your school to finish the syllabus. Okay, so work on that. 30th November 2021, everything should be wind up. The first preparation should be completed. Then you will have second phase, that is short-term preparation, which will start from 1st December 2021 to 14th of February 2022. So these are 75 days. What you will do, you have the chart where you have listed all the subjects along with their respective chapters. Now you have to put tally marks 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible, fine. Otherwise, I will suggest you make it 5. That's sufficient. Okay. Then now come to the last day revision. Last day revision will have same sheets, same subjects, same list of chapters. You have to do it again thoroughly. Likewise, if you have done from NCERT or from your course book, Selena or APC or any course book, you know. So if you have done preparation from there, you have to add it. You have to do it from something else. Till then, board exam, before board exam, 2-3 months before, we get the question bank, we get the mock test series, we get everything, you know, every material is available. So we have to practice from those things as well. So just focus on first phase of preparation. Right after seeing this video, I am putting my email ID in the description box to assist you. Basically, if you think any assistance is needed, you can comment me or you can mail me. I will put my email ID in the description box too. Okay, I give you all the best, all the viewers, all the students, those who are having their board exam in 2022. Best of luck from now itself. Start preparation and let me know how you are doing your preparation. If you need any help in any assistance in terms of planning and execution, I will help you out. Thank you so much.